Most of these Chinese nationals, if not all, from Manila, ito lahat dinala dito dahil nagsarado yung pogo nila sa Manila. So they operated here bago pa lang. No? Siguro mga around 3 months pa lang, more or less. And yung lugar very discreet. It's a compound. Parang dating ginagamit as parang agricultural bodega. Then ito ngayon pinalitan ng pogo operations. So ngayon ipaprocess din namin. We'll have to coordinate with the immigration for verification and itong mga ano nila, mga pangalan, no? Kung may mga pending case sila dito sa Pilipinas or kung wala. And we are pretty sure yung operations nila, itong pogo operations is not licensed kasi nga no less than the president nang nagbawal nito. And aside from that, wala silang permit to work here from the DOLE, no? Department of Labor and Employment.
A certain Malaysian national in the person of Ruby Lim was abducted or kidnapped by a group of Chinese nationals and were being kept in Panabo City, a very big city. So this office conducted 3 days of series of surveillance where we were able to locate the exact location of Ruby Lim and her abductors. So today, as I said before, I said earlier, we conducted a rescue operation. Ito kasi mga Chinese nationals, pag meron silang kunwari Pugo Hub, kung merong isang worker doon na parang ayaw na mag-cooperate, they will inflict harm. As you can see here, maraming mga handcuffs. Ginagamit nila, tinutorture nila. So itong si Ruby Lim, parang she was forced to work. So she really wanted to escape, but she managed to send messages to the authorities. So yan ang ginawang naming dahilan kung bakit we have to rescue her. But it's very unfortunate, nung when we got to the area, na late lang kami ng siguro 20 minutes. Nakaalis na there are 2 vehicles, one Black Fortuner and one Black Montero Sport na biglang umalis doon sa area. And we believe na yung on board on that vehicles are the very managers or they have direct supervision of these Pugo workers.